Let us see how to find square roots of perfect squares. You have to keep this table handy while practicing such problems. What you have to write is 1 square 1, 2 square 4 till 10. You have to write all the square numbers. Then write the numbers from 10 square, 20 square till 100 square. Then write all the squares of the middle numbers, like numbers between 10 and 20 is 15. So 15 square to 25, 25 square. So let me explain how to find first the squares of numbers ending with 5 in their units place, or ending with 5 you can say. So first let us say of 15 square. Since it's 5 in the units place, we write 25 directly here. And here it's 1. So the consecutive number of 1 is 2. So multiply 1 with its consecutive number. 1 into 2 is 2. So you get the square of 15 as 225. Square of 25. Write 25 first. 2 3s are 6. Then 5, 25. 3 4s are 12. Just multiply by the next consecutive number. 45, 25. 4 5s are 20. Now 55 square, 25. Consecutive number of 5 is 6. So 5 6 are 30 and so on. Just keep this table handy. Now just remember one thing. Okay. The units place, just go through the units place of the square numbers. See, there is 1, 4, 9, 6. 5 appears together with 2, 25. Again 6, 9, 4, 1. 0 doesn't appear alone. It appears in pairs, like multiples, in multiples of 2, like 0, 0 or 0, 0, 0, 0, like 2 zeros, 4 zeros and so on. So number 2, 3, 7 and 8 do not appear in the units place of a square number. Just keep this in mind. And if 1 is in the units place of a square number, the digit in the units place of the square root has to be 1 or 9. Similarly, 4 is in the units place of the square number. The square root should have 2 or say 8 in its units place, and so on. Just keep this in mind. Now let's go directly to the problems. Let us take a simple problem like square root of 121. The number, this is a perfect square, we already know. So 121, just check where in between which two numbers does 121 lie. It lies between 100 and 400. That means the square root lies between 10 and 20. Just check the middle square of the middle number. 15 square is 225. Our number is smaller than 225. So our square root has to be between 10 and 15. Between 10 and 15. And since 1 is in its digits place, the square root also should have 1 in its digit place. So between 10 and 15, we have 11 as the number. So 121, square root of 121 is 11. Now let's find the square root of 6724, 6724. This is a perfect square. Let us check between which two numbers this lies. It lies between 6400 and 8100. So its square root has to be between 80 and 90. Just let us check the square of the middle number. It is 85 square. So 8 9s are 72, 7225. Okay, our number is smaller than 7225. So our square root has to lie between 80 and 85. And since it is 4 in the units place, the square root number also should have 2 in its units place. So we have 80 to 85, so 82. We have the square root as 82. Now let's take 4096. We know it's a perfect square. And it lies between 3600 and 4900. So the square root number has to lie in between 60 and 70. Just check the square of 65. It is 4225. Again, this number is smaller than 4225. So the square root has to be between 60 and 65. Now check the units place number 6. So here comes 6. So 4 should be in the units place. So 62 is the number. 64 is the number, sorry. Did you get it? Now let's see how we find the square roots of 1369. I hope you understood by now. So let's check. This number lies between 900 and 1600. And the middle number is 35 square is 1225. Now this number is greater than 1225. So our square root number has to be between 35 and 40. 35 and 40. And since 9 is in its units place, the units place number of square root has to be 7. So 37 should be the number. Did you get it? 37 should be the number. I hope you would be able to solve this too. Thank you.